At the top today, the Valley nonprofit that handles blood donations will pass along the cost of Zika testing to Valley hospitals. United Blood Services says it has to happen to keep the blood supply free of infection. Our Channel 5's Christian Von Preissing spoke to them about how they're keeping Zika from spreading. Christian?
Letty, with 5 cases that likely came from the Valley mosquitoes, health authorities are on alert about the disease, and Zika can be transmitted through the blood. Testing blood before it gets used keeps that Zika from spreading. People here care enough to sit in these chairs, to plug in a medical tube, and to donate a unit of blood that could save somebody's life.
If I'm in the hospital, I'd love for somebody to get blood that I would need.
John Crouch is here to donate for his first time. He's 18. He and other donors are being screened and tested for infections in the blood they donate. Now, as Zika has the attention of health authorities, even as the public still learns about it.
That it has something to do with mosquitoes and that they were talking about it a lot when the Olympics were in Brazil. But other than that, I haven't heard much at all.
People who come in to donate can have a Zika infection and not know it. The virus can be spread through the blood, possibly infecting a mother. The Zika virus is linked to microcephaly, a dramatic symptom in newborns. To prevent the spread, United Blood Services is testing all donations.
Universal Zika testing.
Regional Director Frank Esparza.
Whether it's in Cameron, Stark, Hidalgo, we are testing everybody.
The donor fills up a unit with their blood. The workers here grab a sample. That sample gets set aside, packaged, and put in a cart, and eventually delivered to a lab. The lab that receives that sample tests for Zika.
Normally it takes a couple of days before we get those results back.
If the sample gets cleared, the blood donation goes to the hospital where the patients need it, cleared of an infection.
Like she was saying in there, it's for your safety, but really it's just as much for the person receiving as giving. I don't want anything bad to happen to me here, and if I want it to be helpful.
The blood goes on to save lives. The test cost the nonprofit less than $10 per sample. Until now, United Blood Services say they've been absorbing the cost of the Zika test. Before the testing, the nonprofit had to turn away people who recently visited a country where the virus was confirmed. In the studio, Christian Von Preissing, Channel 5 News at 6.